Hey guys, it's been a minute. I have a huge update. I moved. In my last YouTube video, I said I'm moving into a house. That completely fell through. But we're in an apartment now, and I'm honestly so happy with where we're at. Like, I love my room. Either today or tomorrow my bed frame comes, because I'm currently just like on a mattress on the floor. Yeah, and then like bedside tables come. So the room is like very much still moving in, still figuring out, and like transitioning out of my college decor to big girl decor. I wanted to take you guys along with me on my day because we do have a busy day. It's Tuesday. I have a meeting in 30 minutes. We just have some things on the to-do list today, and I wanted to take you guys along with me. I slept in a tube top and sweatpants, and my pants like are in little lad mode where they like go up. But literally see, like, all my artwork is on the floor. But literally this is what my room looks like right now. I make my bed every morning, so don't worry. But like, if that's set up, that's gonna get figured out. Once the bed frame comes and my bedside tables come, then I can get that all settled. And then, yeah. And I don't know what to do with the chair because I don't know yet if I want to get a desk or not. But you guys are gonna love my bathroom. You walk in, look at how cute these mats are. They're on my Amazon storefront if you want to get them. This is my shower, mirror, the whole thing. Me, my filming setup, just some skincare. I feel so much better, you guys, now that I have my own like space in my own room. Because I was in an Airbnb with my roommates, and there was just like, we were just like trampling over each other's stuff, and it was like, there was more people in the Airbnb than rooms, so we were like sharing rooms and stuff. And after graduating too, when you're in that like weird transition phase and it's like super stressful and you're like getting your shit figured out, it's just really hard to be in there and have no alone time. So I'm really happy now, and I feel like myself again now that I have had alone time. Okay, I did my skincare. I'm gonna get prepped for this meeting. BRB. My meeting starts in about 10 minutes, but I'm just kind of going over everything to make sure that I have everything down. This is a moment where I wish I had a desk, because it just doesn't look that professional when you're sitting in bed. We're working with what we got. I'm gonna go do this meeting and then come back to you. We'll have breakfast and we will get ready for the day and run all of our errands and get everything that we need to do done. I just finished my meeting. Went really well, good things. And then I got a message that my bed frame delivered. Now we're waiting for the bedside tables to deliver. 1 second. Hey.
Gosh.
We had a little post-meeting meeting, but I'm making breakfast now, and I'm doing my famous, which if you've been on watching my videos, you know this from the summer. Every morning, I make this like avocado toast. Over the summer, last summer, I had ovarian cysts and like had been on and off of birth control, and it was just like a really crappy year for my body, went through a lot. And so over the summer, I made it like a huge thing for me that I wanted to like heal my body. And so I kind of turned to food and like nature and like working out. And I would make these meals every day, and I'm a foodie, I love food. And so it was a big deal to me that if I was going to kind of like make sure to eat healthy, that it was food that I still was like excited to eat every day. And so I made this like really good routine for myself, and it just slimmed me down. I was so toned by the end of the summer. I felt so healed. It was like the most genuine happiness I've ever felt. If you're looking to like kind of heal your body, that's how I did it. I also did like hikes all the time and was just always outside, and man is nature quite the healer. When Trader Joe's said it was strawberry season, they weren't lying. Okay, I got ready for the day. Now we're gonna go to my P.O. box and pick up my bed frame. My roommate Haley's gonna come with me, so we're gonna make it a little girls thing, probably get some coffee or something while we're out.
Do you need a blanket? Oh, you're...
No, you guys, this is
Morning.
My butt.
I'm in the shade, so
Hold on, I'm turning on my cooling seats.
You're probably gonna burn skin off your ass.
Slowly gonna sit. Haley, you know what time it is? It's time.
Yeah!
Music is a natural high.
Let me give you the rundown. We went to my P.O. box, and even though it said delivered and signed, sealed, delivered, should be mine, but they said that they hold it for a day before they bring it over to the P.O. box thing. I don't know. And then we were like, okay, let's go to In-N-Out, because... Alright guys, love you.
Part 2. For the vlog.
Okay, I'm home, and now I'm about to make this Dr. Pepper float for you. The funny thing is if my mom saw this, my mom would be like, when did you start drinking soda? And I literally never used to even like or want soda until one day I just was like, you know what? Like, I'm gonna try with Dr. Pepper. And it was so good. So now I'll get them in a blue moon.
Is there really like a debate between like Dr. Pepper and root beer? Not in the sense of like floats, but just in general.
Does this not look amazing? Oh my gosh!
Just so beautiful.
That looks so good, Haley. Okay guys, it's a few hours later and all the roommates are gonna go to the gym. Okay, little gym motivation. This is the fit for me today. Nothing crazy. I literally just want to be comfortable because I am in survival mode right now, okay? Haley, come on in, girl, and show your fit.
Oh, this is my Amazon fit that I usually wear. I usually wear like matching socks, but they're dirty, so yeah.
Dude, this is the fit.
And then I got
Major slay. Okay guys, I'm back from the gym. Now I'm gonna get in the shower and get ready for the end of the night because it's 10 p.m. I did get into like the zone at the gym. Like to the point where I was like between sets and I was like standing there like waiting and I was just like staring off into just like the deepest thought. I like got this feeling that somebody was like staring at me, so I'm like standing there thinking, and then I turn and just directly look, and Haley, my roommate, is like across the gym and she's like just knows I'm in deep thought and like she knows what's running through my mind. I was in deep thought. I actually I made a decision about something. And it's not a fun decision, but it is a decision that puts myself first. So you gotta do what you gotta do. Am I right, girls? I don't wanna think about it right now, so we're gonna get ready for bed instead. Oh my god, I can't see, and just so much makeup remover went in my eyes. Where's the paper? Or not the paper towel, the nap towel. Ah, I don't like this feeling. Okay. I got that like weird feeling of like someone's watching you and it scared me. BRB, I'm gonna go hop in the shower and get clean.
Love you. Mwah.